Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to stop lagging on Roblox Chromebook. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple ways. First thing is just go to your settings on your Roblox, and then just go ahead and make sure to toggle everything off over here, and make sure to make your graphics mode into a manual and set it into a very minimum. And guys, for the second solution is just exit all of other apps on your Chromebook. So don't use other apps than your Roblox. So when you play Roblox, only open up Roblox. And now for the third solution, guys, is just go to settings on your Chromebook and go to about and make sure you are running the latest version of your Chrome. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.